If you're looking for a special gift for that whiskey or bourbon lover in your life, I may have the solution for you. This was sent to me to check out and give my opinion of. And this set actually has something that's different from the rest. So, what is it? First of all, when this comes in the mail and you pull it out of the box, you've got this nice cylindrical tube that it comes in. Nice hard cardboard construction with a gold finish on there. When you pop it open, this is what I was talking about that comes with this set that doesn't come in other sets that I've found. So, along with this one, you're going to get some stones. So, what these do, you pop them in the bag in your freezer. I just keep mine in there all the time. And now you have the ability to chill your whiskey or bourbon without adding ice, which is going to water it down. So, that's a really cool special experience there. Now, the cups themselves are beautiful. Take a look at this. Nice wood finish on there, a perfect color, nice charred inside to the cup. Brought a tape measure so I can walk you through this. These cups are also slightly larger than other ones that I've seen. This one here is about 3 inches at the mouth and about, oh, let's see, 3.5 inches tall. So a perfect pour. You just add those stones in there, and now you've got a great glass. This is something that's really going to make the occasion of having that bourbon or the whiskey even more special. I always do hand wash these wooden style glasses for sure. I'm not sure if you could put them in the dishwasher, but I like to take care of them because they're so cool and so nice. Again, take a look at that dark charred finish, nice stained wood, beautiful quality all throughout. Again, this would make a tremendous gift along with these stones. Just a fantastic gift for yourself or that person in your life that you're having a hard time finding a great gift for. You wouldn't even need to wrap this because it's just a really cool looking packaging itself. So if you're looking for something like that, make sure, do yourself a favor and check these ones out.